అవగాహనతో చెప్పారు. అవగాహన చాలా ఏమి మనం రీసైకిల్ చేస్తాం. రీసైకిల్ చేసిన మెటీరియల్
Swachhbharat mission was launched on 2nd October 2014. It aims to make India clean and healthy, push our surroundings clean, homes reduce pollution, create awareness about cleanliness, manage waste properly, reuse and recycle waste management means collecting, separating and recycling waste. Hazardous waste can be batteries, medicines, electrical waste should be recycled, should be collected at a discount of